Before you install your seat rear facing, you'll need to get it ready by putting on the rear facing base and the anti-rebound bar. To prepare for that, we're going to loosen the harness. Reach your finger right into the hole here, lift up on the lever, and while you're holding it up, just pull forward on the harness, just like that. Unbuckle your harness, move it to the side, and then we're going to take the seat pad off. To take the seat pad off, there are tabs right at the bottom of the seat pad. You can see them right here, and we're just going to lift it right off and pull the crotch buckle through. While you have it here, pull your small black handle, and we're going to shift it so that it's in the recline position. We're also going to remove our lower connectors and just push the red button and just put them into the center of the seat. Now that you have that set up, we're going to rotate the seat right onto its back. This is your rear facing base. You want to just line up the tabs with the holes in the bottom, and then just slide it up and it'll lock into place. Once you have the base on, then we're going to put the anti-rebound bar on.
To insert the anti-rebound bar, line up each end of the anti-rebound bar with the hole on the bottom of the seat and press it up into the seat. Push it until the top of the anti-rebound bar is all the way up. Then hold the anti-rebound bar in position. While holding the anti-rebound bar up, insert the first locking pin into the top of the anti-rebound bar by passing it through the hole in the shell, across the top of the anti-rebound bar, and out the other side. Rotate the locking pin so that the hole is visible, and then insert the locking pin clip through the hole, just like this. Repeat the same thing on the other side. You are then ready to take the car seat out to the car and install it.